Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a great multi-purpose cleaner, and it is by a company called Zep. This is their antibacterial disinfecting cleaner, and I absolutely love this, especially when it comes to cleaning our floors. It works really, really well. Doesn't leave any greasy feelings or anything like that when walking around barefoot. You can use this on multiple surfaces. So whether you are cleaning your non-porous kitchen countertops, whether you are cleaning around the bathroom sink, maybe you are cleaning your shower or your toilets, it'll work with that as well. You can even utilize these to fill up the little spray bottles if you have those and you wish. But like I said, I always like to get the 2-pack, which is 1 gallon each, because I use them on the floors and it cleans up very, very well. Now, as far as the scent, it has a nice, refreshing, light lemon sense to it. And as I mentioned, it does have that ability to destroy germs, which is a nice aspect in today's society. Now, no grit or soap scum left behind when utilizing this. And like I said, it leaves a non-greasy feeling, which is obviously very important when I'm utilizing it on the floors and walking around barefoot and everything. It also works great as a deodorizer. So if you do have like a trash can or something like that and it's getting kind of smelly or whatnot, or because of that buildup, go ahead and put this in a spray bottle and spray it around and use it as a deodorizer as well. But it is pretty awesome stuff, and the gallon size is a perfect size for multiple uses and refills. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great multi-purpose cleaner, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.